Hello everyone, today I will be replacing my light seals on my Olympus Trip 35. As you can see, the camera's in pretty good shape, but I just recently took it on a trip, and after getting the photos developed I noticed I had quite a few light leaks. Now it looks like these light leaks are coming close to the hinge, and as the film gets wound into the drum there's light leakage there that's overexposing part of the film. Now, a lot of my pictures did turn out quite good, and the light leakage is not as noticeable on the left side of the photo, but obviously I want to address that so I don't ruin any photos in the future. So let's go ahead and open up the back of the camera and take a look at these old seals. Now, some of these Trip 35s only have the seals along this hinge, and I think that's the case with this camera. I don't see any evidence of any old seals in these grooves. There's a groove on the top and the bottom, and they go the whole length of the camera here. And I don't see any old seal material in there, so I'm guessing this one only ever had it on the hinge. And as you can see from the photos before, that's where I'm having my issue. So I'm going to focus most of my attention to this hinge area, but we're also going to try to add some seals in the grooves here. Now there's a couple different options when it comes to replacing your seals. I saw that there was some pre-cut seal kits for sale on eBay, but I'm a little bit cheaper, so I decided to buy this seal kit from the Jungle website. Let's go ahead and unbox this kit and see what we got inside. So here's our foam. This is 2mm thick camera foam with a 3M backing. And we should have some tools in here. We have a couple sticks, Q-tips, and some tweezers. For cleaning, we're going to use this isopropyl alcohol. So in total, all we will need is alcohol, Q-tips, we'll need more of those, tweezers, wooden pick, and the new foam. There's really nothing left to what was once seals in this hinge here, but we're just going to clean it out the best we can. Now I don't have any reference or template, so I'm basically just going to measure and then cut the new seals out to shape. Now I would imagine one would be enough, but we're going to go ahead and double it up, because it looks like there used to be one seal on here and one seal on here. I am very pleased with the results. So I've got it along both the top and the bottom groove nearby the door hinge, and I'm really not worried about this area too much. It was only really the hinge that I wanted to pay particular attention to. And it seems that 2mm is just the right thickness. And we're all ready to go, loaded with some Kodak Gold, ready for some filming.